Okay, hey you guys. So I just want to come show you quickly if you a nail tech or nail enthusiast or somebody who like to do their nails at home and you like to use polygel and you have been looking for like colored colored polygel for cheap because the Marquette one I think it's like almost $50. Um but I'm sure the tubes are big. So this is a company that I found on Amazon. Um, Savvyland nail art. Yeah, and so it come in a box like this. Cute little box. Little box. Cause don't get it twisted. I thought it was like when I had got my Gershon one. My Gershon one was a bigger box and elaborate. It was big. The tubes was fat. So they come with these little two the nail forms. It's really curvy. But yeah, so these are the little tubes. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. But you guys, look how small. I paid $26.99. But this small. You can't do too many sets with this. So this got to be a personal. So it come with the red, orange, um, rainbow yellow. It's rainbow colors, but you know, it's some little small tubes, and it don't feel like it got too much in it. Green. This is blue, purple. Y'all, it feel like you don't even feel like no product right here. It's like it's all at the bottom. So I don't even know if I want to really keep this. It's nothing in here. Like you can't even do a whole set with one tube, I don't think. And this is black. It does come with the slip solution. A little small bottle. Don't get it twisted. It's a little small bottle. Um, the nail gel, the top coat, a little small, little mini me. So this the base coat. It comes with a nice brush, instructions, and a, a file. Now I guess y'all saying, well, come on to what you expect for $26.99. I expect better than these little things. Um, I didn't know it was this small, so yeah. And it don't feel like they have a lot in there, y'all. Like, let me see. Okay, so this how it looks in a tube. And y'all, I'm squeezing it and I promise you they don't have nothing over here. Everything is like at the bottom. Like nothing. Like nothing is oh it looks vibrant though, but yeah. So if you guys are thinking these are big tube, it's not. It's really small. And maybe I should have looked at it a little bit better. I would have known that there are some little smaller tubes. I mean, I'm going to keep them. And I'm going to come back with an update whenever I do me another polygel set. Because that's what I've been doing. Mostly polygel because it's easy, it's fast, and it don't have that acrylic smell. So I may just break down and get the Marquette one because this ain't gonna last long. Could tell you that. Look like one to two sets, and cause this one definitely don't have nothing in it. It's like nothing over here. It's all at the bottom. So yeah, you guys, and this is the company that I selling it on Amazon. So if you guys want to get that, Y'all do that and get that. But I'll do an updated video whenever I do my nails like that, because I recently did this polygel set with some glitter encapsulated in it. So yeah. All right, you guys. See you later. Walk in love, because Jesus is love. And if you love Jesus, you're definitely walking in love too.